Prepare to be amazed by a collection of truck innovations that push boundaries and challenge expectations. These are far from ordinary haulers. Each one highlights smart design, advanced engineering, and tough innovation. Whether created for extreme landscapes or loaded with futuristic technology, these trucks stand apart from the rest. From bold transformations to next-generation performance, these machines redefine what trucks are capable of. Get ready to experience something truly remarkable. SAF CBX Aerobeam. The SAF CBX Aerobeam series is an advanced trailer air suspension system designed to deliver outstanding performance and sustainability in commercial transportation. Leading the range, the CBX 23 Aerobeam model weighs just 465 pounds, making it 45-pound lighter than the previous version and 25-pound lighter per axle than competing systems, helping lower greenhouse gas emissions. Built using heat-treated cast alloy beams and 80 KSI frame brackets, the system provides improved structural strength. Its 5.75-inch axle is 19% more rigid than standard axles, reducing deflection and increasing tire lifespan. Maintenance is made easier through the Swing Align system, which enables fast axle alignment without disassembly. The tension control bolt maintains consistent clamp force, reducing wear and removing the need for retorquing. This design improves reliability while lowering maintenance costs. Optional P89 series air disc brakes offer excellent stopping performance and simple servicing. In addition, black armor coating provides corrosion protection comparable to hot dip galvanization without extra weight. The CBX Aerobeam series delivers durability, efficiency, and environmentally responsible innovation for modern fleets. Man front detection. The Man Front Detection System is an advanced safety solution developed to protect pedestrians and cyclists in busy urban environments where visibility is often limited during low-speed movement. Operating at speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour, the system monitors a critical area directly in front of the vehicle, ranging from 0.8 to 3.7 meters, using 2 radar sensors mounted on the front bumper and a high-positioned windshield camera. Designed specifically for trucks and buses, this technology ensures continuous monitoring during startup and stop-and-go traffic. When a person or object enters the monitored zone, the system warns the driver through a visual dashboard alert and an audible warning, prompting immediate awareness. Ideal for crowded city streets and tight maneuvering areas, the Man Front Detection System greatly improves driver awareness and helps prevent collisions during crucial operational moments. It reflects man's commitment to intelligent safety technology and protecting vulnerable road users in real-world traffic situations. Halo Connect i3. Halo Connect i3 from Halo Technologies is an advanced tire management system designed for medium and heavy-duty trucks. By combining automated tire inflation with real-time pressure monitoring, the system includes built-in sensors, remote pressure control, customizable alerts, and adjustable inflation settings tailored to specific fleet requirements. Installation is quick, taking under 5 minutes per wheel, and the unit stays mounted during tire servicing, minimizing downtime. Compatible with flow-through wheel covers and hub odometers, it improves operational flexibility without added complexity. Halo Connect i3 integrates tire pressure monitoring directly into the inflation system, removing the need for separate TPMS components and simplifying maintenance. This integration enhances system reliability, accuracy, and overall performance. Smart alerts and analytics identify tire problems early, improving fuel efficiency, extending tire life, and increasing fleet safety. With an easy-to-use interface and accessible data at all levels, Halo Connect i3 helps operators maximize uptime and reduce environmental impact through smarter tire management. Q-Box Bowl Pani. The Q-Box Bowl Pani, created by BBM Food Trucks, is a versatile mobile food truck designed for selling frozen fish and other products. Ideal for street vendors and small businesses, this modular mobile shop offers both flexibility and efficiency. Its simple setup and spacious layout make it well-suited for fishmongers, frozen food sellers, and various retail uses. Key features include a heated floor and a flat interior without wheel arches, providing generous workspace. Built with durable stainless steel panels, the vehicle is designed for long-term operation. The design includes a rear hinge door, a 90-degree side hatch, and a manual front counter flap for customer service and product display. Inside, the KU box can be customized with refrigerated and frozen storage, cooking equipment, and stainless steel work surfaces with integrated sinks to meet hygiene standards. Compatibility with generators and gas systems adds to its flexibility, making it a cost-effective solution for entrepreneurs seeking to expand their mobile retail operations. Holmes DTU. The Holmes DTU is a versatile heavy-duty towing system engineered to convert a standard tractor into a fully functional wrecker. Its advanced design reduces rear overhang and improves front axle weight distribution, resulting in better towing capability and overall performance. Repositioned lift cylinders provide greater underlift height and an improved center of gravity, ensuring efficient weight transfer during towing operations. Standard features include a 20,000-pound planetary winch with 175 feet of 9/16-inch wire rope, front stands for easy removal, and compatibility with a fifth-wheel plate and front lockdown bracket. This setup allows the unit to be removed quickly, enabling smooth transitions between towing and trailer hauling. Optional upgrades such as a 25,000-pound winch, toolboxes, and remote controls further expand its capabilities. With a lifting capacity of 35,000 pounds when retracted and 16,000 pounds when extended, the Holmes DTU offers flexibility, efficiency, and cost-effective performance for fleets seeking a modular towing solution. Soil King Extreme. The Soil King Extreme, developed by Can American Stone Spreader, is an advanced material placement truck designed to improve efficiency and safety in construction and landscaping work. Built using strong yet lightweight 5454 aluminum plate, the Soil King Extreme delivers durability while remaining easy to operate. Featuring a patented metering beam and advanced hydraulic systems, the truck allows a single operator to accurately control the placement of materials such as topsoil, stone, and sand through a wireless remote. Its adjustable material bed raises and lowers using hydraulic cylinders, reducing overall height and lowering the center of gravity, which improves safety during transport and loading. The Extreme XTR25 model offers a capacity of up to 30 cubic yards for lighter materials, boosting productivity on job sites. It functions as both a stone spreader and a live bottom truck, unloading up to 1,300 tons per hour. With its efficient design and reliable performance, the Soil King Extreme stands out as a top solution for precise material placement. SAF Tracker. The SAF Tracker, developed by SAF Holland, is an innovative electric axle system designed to increase trailer efficiency and support sustainable transportation. Using regenerative braking technology, the system captures kinetic energy during braking or overrun phases and converts it into usable electrical power. This energy is stored in a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that powers auxiliary equipment such as refrigeration units, hydraulic lifts, and pumps without relying on external power sources. At the core of the SAF Tracker is a centrally mounted high-voltage generator that maximizes energy conversion and storage efficiency. The system integrates smoothly with both intra-drive and modular air suspension systems, offering flexibility for different trailer setups. Its standardized design allows easy retrofitting on existing trailers, making it compatible with a wide range of models. By using the SAF Tracker, fleet operators can reduce fuel consumption, lower CO2 emissions, and cut operating costs, representing a major step toward efficient and environmentally responsible logistics operations. Stinger Stacker 8500. The Stinger Stacker 8500 is a high-powered self-propelled bale stacker built for efficient handling of ultra-dense square bales in large-scale hay and biomass operations. Designed for strength, speed, and high capacity, it sets a new benchmark in modern bale stacking technology. Powered by a Detroit 13-liter engine producing 460 horsepower and 1,650 feet-pound of torque, the 8500 reaches speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. Its rugged construction includes a Rayco 102cc rear suspension rated at 30,000 pounds and an Eaton 26,180-pound rear axle, ensuring reliable performance in demanding field conditions. The machine measures 35 feet long, 14 feet 4 inches high, and 9 feet 9 inches wide, with a working weight of 42,500 pounds. It can stack up to 14 3x4 or 10 4x4 bales, with users reporting productivity exceeding 125 bales per hour under ideal conditions. An enclosed climate-controlled cab, along with optional flotation tires and an automatic lubrication system, makes the Stinger 8500 a preferred choice for heavy-duty agricultural operations. 9. Right Track Systems. Operating in rough terrain requires more than raw power. it demands the right equipment. Right Track Systems International delivers this capability through advanced track conversion systems that transform standard wheeled vehicles into high-performance tracked machines. These customizable systems significantly enhance traction, stability, and mobility, making them ideal for challenging environments such as sand, mud, snow, and swamp conditions. Built for durability and adaptability, Right Track systems serve industries including construction, forestry, agriculture, and oil and gas. The systems are well known for long-lasting performance, with users reporting many years of trouble-free operation. Customers also praise the smooth ordering process and expert technical support, ensuring proper fit and functionality. Whether operating in remote locations or across difficult terrain, Right Track Systems International provides the performance and reliability needed to keep operations moving forward with confidence. Freighter T-Liner. The Freighter T-Liner is a pioneering curtain-sided trailer from Australia that transformed freight transportation by offering improved efficiency, increased load capacity, and greater ease of use. Designed for high performance, it features a lightweight structure that supports higher payloads, helping operators achieve better cost efficiency. The engineering focuses on safety and reliability, using wide-set main beams and axles to enhance trailer stability. A low-profile frame lowers the center of gravity, improving balance and control across varied operating conditions. Built for durability, the T-Liner performs consistently in demanding long-term transport applications. Its smooth operating curtain roller system reduces wear on roof tracks and minimizes maintenance needs. Strong galvanized steel door hardware adds extra durability, while the chassis includes 127mm Z-section crossmembers that provide greater rigidity than traditional designs. Overall, the Freighter T-Liner remains a dependable, high-performance trailer that supports modern freight demands with strength, safety, and intelligent design. Cox Liftbox. The Cox Liftbox, developed by Cox Mobile Systems, is a flexible and demountable unit designed to transform commercial vehicles into fully functional mobile workspaces, offices, or service centers. Its modular construction allows fast deployment and easy reconfiguration, making it suitable for applications such as mobile offices, medical units, workshops, and promotional vehicles. One of the key highlights of the Liftbox is its simple installation and removal process. The unit can be detached from the vehicle chassis and supported on its own legs, allowing the vehicle to be used for other tasks when the box is not needed. This adaptability significantly improves operational efficiency, especially for businesses that require temporary setups across multiple locations. The Liftbox offers a spacious interior, with options reaching up to 4.5 meters in length and 3.5 meters in width. Its robust build meets industry standards for mobile facilities. Cox Mobile Systems' focus on quality and innovation makes the Liftbox a practical solution for organizations that value mobility without compromising functionality. 12. Craftsman K-Boom. The Craftsman K-Boom trailer, developed by Craftsman Trailers in Alabama, North Carolina, is a purpose-built solution designed to efficiently transport semi-trucks. Created through collaboration between experienced semi-haulers and Craftsman's engineering team, the K-Boom enables a single operator to haul one or two semi-trucks, including their own, without requiring extra assistance. A standout feature of the trailer is its fully self-contained 12-volt hydraulic system, operated through a wireless remote. This system allows safe and fast loading and unloading without the operator needing to climb onto the trailer, greatly improving safety and convenience. The K-Boom is highly versatile, accommodating a wide range of semi-truck sizes, from single-axle day cabs to dual-bunk road tractors. It also increases efficiency by significantly reducing the time needed to load and secure vehicles, making it far more time-effective than traditional hauling methods. With its advanced features, ease of operation, and strong focus on safety, the K-Boom is an ideal choice for operators aiming to increase productivity. Highway Hammocks Truck Snoozer. The Highway Hammocks Truck Snoozer is an innovative in-cab hammock specifically designed for day cab trucks, providing drivers with a fast and comfortable resting solution. Unlike sleeper cabs that include built-in rest areas, day cabs typically lack proper resting space, making breaks less comfortable for drivers. The Truck Snoozer addresses this issue by setting up across the cab in under 10 seconds, creating a comfortable resting area without any permanent installation. Constructed from durable synthetic canvas, the hammock supports up to 412 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of drivers. It easily hooks over the tops of the doors, allowing quick setup and removal without the need for tools or fixtures. This smart design enables drivers to rest comfortably without losing valuable cab space. Manufactured using fair trade practices, the truck snoozer is becoming an essential accessory for drivers, improving comfort and enhancing the overall driving experience through a practical in-cab resting option. Harsh HH6 hook loader. The Harsh HH6 hook loader is a strong and efficient solution designed for 7.5-ton GVW trucks, making it well suited for industries such as waste management and site clearance. Featuring a 6-ton lifting capacity powered by a single lifting cylinder, it handles containers ranging from 3.8 to 4.3 meters in length and achieves a maximum tipping angle of 52 degrees. This hook loader is engineered for reliability and versatility, performing effectively in demanding working environments. Its modular design allows straightforward installation and low maintenance, while the low-profile Z-frame improves both stability and lifting performance. The HH6 uses a conventional PTO pump system, with the option of a handheld remote control to enhance safety and visibility during loading and unloading operations. For added functionality, the unit can be paired with Harsh's sheeting systems to ensure secure load coverage. Supported by a 2-year structural warranty and a 1-year parts and labor warranty, the HH6 is a dependable choice for heavy-duty hauling tasks. LoadLock AF optimizing trailer interiors is essential in modern logistics, and the LoadLock AF system meets this need through precision-engineered versatility. This advanced double-decking solution increases payload capacity by making efficient use of vertical space inside trailers, making it ideal for high-volume or multi-drop deliveries. What makes the LoadLock AF stand out is its adaptability, as it integrates smoothly with a wide range of airline equipment, beams, shoring poles, lashing straps, and fittings, even from different manufacturers. This cross-compatibility allows operators to use existing equipment without costly upgrades. The system includes lightweight yet durable AF beams capable of handling up to 1,000 kilograms, with a heavy-duty option supporting up to 350 kilograms. Its low-profile 14.5mm aluminum tracks preserve insulation and headroom, especially in temperature-controlled trailers. Available in anodized or non-anodized finishes and fully customizable in size, LoadLock AF helps businesses streamline loading, reduce transport frequency, and lower costs, while supporting both profitability and sustainability in logistics operations.